Hello children, now we shall solve third main question of exercise 2.1 exponents and powers. The first question is, first question is 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to minus 1 bracket completed into 2 raised to 2. Here we know that any number if power is 0, answer is 1. Therefore, 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Now substitute this value here. 1 plus, now this 4 raised to minus 1. This negative power will convert into positive using this law. A raised to minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to n. So answer is 1 raised to 1 by 4 bracket completed into 2 square is 4. Now this 4 we have to multiply to this whole bracket. Therefore, 1 into 4 plus sign as it is 1 by 4 into 4. This 4 get cancelled. Multiply 1 into 4 plus this 1 as it is. Therefore, the answer is 5. Now second one, a raised to minus 1 into a raised to minus 4 divided by 2 raised to minus 2. I'll write the question here. Second one of exercise 2.1, third main, 2 raised to minus 1 into 4 raised to minus 1 bracket completed divided by division sign 2 raised to minus 2. Here we'll use this law. A raised to minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to n. Therefore, this 2 raised to minus 1 I'll write 1 divided by 2 into, similarly 4 raised to minus 1 I'll write 1 divided by 4. This division sign. Now 2 raised to minus 2 I'll write 1 divided by 2 raised to 2. Now whenever we have to divide, multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Yes. Therefore, 1 into 1 means 1 ones are 1. Similarly, 2 into 4, 2 fours are 8. This division sign as it is. 1 divided by 2 raised to 2 means 2 square is 4. Now, next I will convert this division into multiplication. 1 divided by 8. Now this division multiply. Next numbers we have to write reciprocal. 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 1. Now here cancellation is possible. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Therefore the answer is 1 by 2. We'll solve third main. The question is, 1 divided by 2 raised to minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised to minus 2 plus 1 by 4 raised to minus 2. Now first I'll explain you only this part. Here we have to use this law. A raised to minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to n. Yes. Now we'll take this one. 1 divided by 2 raised to minus 2 is equal to 1 divided by 1 by 2 raised to 2. This only I'll write in this way. 1 divided by 1 by 2 raised to 2. Yes, this 2 belongs to 1 as well as 2. Therefore, now here I'll convert this division into multiplication. Now next numbers we have to write reciprocal. 1 divided by 2 raised to 2 become 2 raised to 2 divided by 1. Now multiply this 1 into 2 raised to 2 means 2 raised to 2. So directly here we'll write 1 divided by 2 raised to minus 2 is equal to 2 raised to 2. Similarly, this will write 3 raised to 2 plus this 1 by 4 raised to minus 2 will write 4 raised to 2 is equal to, now 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. Add this all. What answer we'll get is 29. Yes. Fourth one question is 3 raised to minus 1 plus 4 raised to minus 1 plus 5 raised to minus 1 raised to 0. Very easy answer here, because we know that any number if power is 0, answer is 1. Therefore, the answer is 1 here. The fifth one question is this one. Now here we'll use this law. A raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So we'll multiply this and this now. Is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 raised to minus 2 into 2. Now this multiply is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 raised to minus 4, because 2 2s are 4. Now next, here we'll use this law. A raised to minus n is equal to 1 divided by a raised to n. Means, therefore, 1 divided by minus 2 divided by 3 raised to 4. Now this part, in earlier problem also I taught this one. Means 1 divided by minus 2 divided by 3 raised to 4. Now this division, if we'll convert into multiplication, next numbers we have to write reciprocal. It becomes 1 into 3 by minus 2 raised to 4. So directly we'll write here is equal to 3 divided by minus 2 raised to 4. Yes. Now next, this 4 is applicable to this minus 2 as well as 3. So we'll write is equal to 3 raised to 4 minus 2 raised to 4 is equal to 3 raised to 4, means we have to multiply 3 4 times, means it is 81. Now this minus 2 raised to 4, if any negative number has power even time, then this negative number becomes positive. Means here we have to multiply this minus 2 4 times. Yes. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So the answer is 81 divided by 16. Fourth main question is evaluate. In this first one, 8 raised to minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to minus 4. Now we know that 2 cube is 8. So instead of 8, I'll write 2 cube raised to minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to minus 4. Now here a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. Yes. Therefore, now this 2 raised to 3 raised to minus 1, I'll multiply this 3 into minus 1. It becomes 2 raised to minus 3. Now this 2 raised to minus 4 I'll write here. 2 raised to minus 4 into 5 raised to 3 as it is. Yes. Now next we know that a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. If base are equal, division means we have to subtract the powers. Therefore, 2 raised to minus 3 minus this minus 4 into 5 raised to 3 means 2 raised to minus 3 minus into minus plus 4 into 5 raised to 3. Therefore, 2 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 3 is equal to 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2 into 5 cube is 125 is equal to 250. Fourth main, second one, 5 raised to minus 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 into 6 raised to minus 1. So here we have to use the same law. What is that? A raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 by a raised to n. Therefore, 5 raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 5 into similarly 1 divided by 2 into similarly 1 divided by 6. Now we know that multiplication is possible numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Therefore, 1 into 1 ones are 1, 5 twos are 10. This multiplication sign as it is 1 by 6. Now multiply 1 into 1, 1. 10 6 are 60. So the answer is 1 divided by 60.